Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is FOMO, UMOFO. Before we begin, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. And with all that mumbo jumbo out of the way, I want to talk about this new trading bot that I came across that a lot of people have been shilling the past week. As you guys know, I am a Trojan maxi, so I love trading through Trojan and I like trading through my Telegram bots just because that's where the communities are for most of these meme coins. So it's really easy to purchase a token and then go into the community's Telegram right then and there. But I had recently started farming the Photon airdrop since that is around the corner, and I have not really liked the experience with Photon, and I just came across this platform called BullX. When I first signed up for it, it looked like there was a waiting list of about 64,000 people, which is pretty crazy. And then someone invited me using their private invite link, which is what I have for you guys here as well. Just go ahead and look in the description of this video to get early and instant access. And it's a hybrid Telegram and web app trading bot. So it is multi-chain, it's multi-wallet, which is really interesting. Obviously, I usually just trade in Solana. I've been dabbling a little bit with ETH and Base as well, but it's a lot cleaner. It kind of mixes the best of what I liked from Photon and kind of fills in the gaps that I did not like from Photon. And I'll kind of explain that in a little bit. Um, Once you sign up, obviously you have to fund a wallet. Right now I have about 31 Sol in here. And the UI is pretty intuitive. You can turn on and off the different chains that you'd like to trade on. So if you trade on Sol and Base, you can turn that on. And whatever windows you're in, like this new pairs tab, you can see all the new tokens that are kind of coming in from the different chains. But again, I'm going to focus just on Solana for this video. And yeah, you can kind of in real time have this terminal open to where it shows you all the new tokens that are coming out. And most new tokens nowadays are from Pump Fund anyway. So you can see the logo there. A nice little feature that they have is that when you click on a token and you click the image here, they have like a reverse image search. I forgot how to use that. But anyway, we'll talk about that later. But here in the new pairs, right, you can see the newest tokens. The feature that I really like, which kind of helps with like gambling, or kind of just seeing like what meta we're in right now, is this Pump Vision terminal, and it shows you all the new tokens that are kind of coming out. And this is where you can use that feature that I was trying to do on new pairs. But essentially, um, yeah, I'm gonna remove that. When you have a token here and you click on this button, it opens up Google Lens, so you can reverse search these different images. So this is helpful for speculative celebrity tokens that are popping out. That's actually how people discovered that the mother token by Iggy Azalea was actually her. Was when they reverse searched the token image, it wasn't found anywhere other than on Pump Fund. So that's an interesting feature that they have there. Obviously, you have your social links here. You can go directly to the Pump Fund website through here. You can go to the X account that they've linked, the website, and of course the Telegram. And one feature that I like, which is similar to what you see on Photon, is you type in like your quick buy amount. So let's say you just want to buy $10 of specific tokens. You can literally go through and just one click buy $10 each of these various different pump funds that are recently created. The middle column here, it shows you the tokens that are about to graduate to Radium. So, once a pump fund gets filled, it gets migrated over to Radium. You can kind of see what the progress is here. You can see the market cap, the amount of holders, if there's any comments on the actual like pump fund, which is interesting. You can see it right here all in one place. And recently graduated tokens, right? So you also have filters, right? If you want to see ones that are above 100K market cap or something, you can do that here for all the columns over here. So very intuitive with the different filters and the different just visibility that you get here. It's, for example, like if something is getting insane volume that's about to go over to migrate from pump phone over to radium, or not volume, sorry, if it got filled very quickly, you can kind of see what's about to graduate and kind of get your trigger finger ready, so to say, to purchase once it goes over to radium. And this is what the actual like trading interface looks like when you're actually going to go buy a token. I'll just bring up Mother since we were talking about it. Um, where is she? Okay, so their search is not the best 'cause it's not bringing up the Iggy Azalea token right away. It's bringing up a rug. So there are little bugs that I've seen here and there. So for example, when I was trading something, I was looking at my portfolio. I couldn't find my position on a specific token on here, um, but it was on my phone, which is interesting. So yeah, here we are. So we could see what's been trending in like the last 1 minute, 5 minute, in the last hour. You can see the various different tokens. Andrew Tate's token is quite up there right now. Top G is up there too. So let's say we want to buy this. You can kind of see your open positions. You can see your trading history if you traded this token before. You can see the top traders. So similar information that you would see like on a deck screener and things of that sort. You can see holder analytics here as well, which it looks really nice. You can see the top 10 holders own 12% of the token, top 49 on 15, and the rest is about 72%. You have your volume stats over here from 24, 6, and 1 hour, and then the 5 minute. And you could do quick security checks here. So there's security audit, right? See if the person who created the token owns any tokens still, if the LP is burned or not, how many tokens the top 10 holders have, and obviously your position if you've invested, sold, remaining P&L, all that sort of stuff. So I'm not going to go into my positions for the sake of not doxing my wallet. But yeah, I think the chart looks really cool. The chart UI, you can obviously what you usually see, this is just trading view, so you're pretty much used to this. You can show and hide your trades when you buy something. By default it goes to market cap. You can switch to price. You can see a bubble map too, which is kind of interesting. So there's just a lot of like nifty like features that I haven't really seen on any other trading platforms, which is nice. And it just feels a lot more intuitive and a lot cleaner than Photon from what I've just personally been using it with. And it shows USD value as far as like your trades go. I did not like on Photon how it just shows like Solana. Like I'd really like to know what my USD value on this stuff is. But yeah, what kind of sets it apart is the pump vision, and then the fact that you can create advanced orders too. So they're going to have a token sniper coming soon, copy trading, things that you're accustomed to seeing on other platforms. But yeah, I think right now this is a solid contender. And obviously they have an airdrop coming, which is nice. So, right now they're doing 5x points. So they have a pretty nifty multiplier if you sign up ASAP. And yeah, I think there was something else I was going to show you. I'll just go back to top G. But when you're going to buy something, you can just market buy. So if you just wanted to buy one soul, you could do that. You can set a limit order based on market cap, and it's pretty easy to use, right? So if you want to buy one soul when it hits 9 million, 9.03 million market cap, you could go ahead and set that limit order up. You can do sell limit orders as well. So, for example, if you want to sell when it reaches a 2x for you from your entry, you can go ahead and set that up. So if you want to sell 25%, you can set that up. If you want to sell 50% when it hits 300%, so on and so forth. So it's really intuitive in the sense that you can TP on the way up and see that visual. And I assume eventually they'll have a way to DCA out of positions as well in the future. But yeah, for now, it's really intuitive, really easy to use and learn. Again, there's a bit of a learning curve in terms of like UI, but I don't think it's that bad compared to like a Photon, for example, or even a Trojan. So Telegram bot itself, I haven't really used it to be honest. I've just been using the web app on my phone and on the computer, and it looks really good and it works well. And yeah, I've been posting about it on X quite a bit, and made a bit of money just gambling using the pump vision thing. So literally the strategy there is just like, put $10 here, $10, $20 there if it looks like it's a token that's like running, or if it's fitting the meta, for example, that we're seeing, or if you see this like circle around the icon just going nuts, right? Like I've seen that before. So this fills as the pump fund fills, so it's just kind of going. And what you can see as well, let me show you, for example, this is a pump fund that's catching bids right now. At the top, you can see the bonding curve percentage, kind of like a visual of it. So you don't have to go to pump fund to kind of see how that's looking. You can see it here directly, like it's 16% of the bonding curve is ready or has been filled. And for those that don't know, that's like once the bonding curve hits 100%, then the token migrates over to Radium, so you can trade on Radium essentially, since these are just trading on Pump Fund. But yeah, it's a really cool platform. Definitely taking advantage of their point system and the multiplier that they have right now. You're getting 5 times as many points as you would get just off of like your regular trading volume. So yeah, definitely try it out. Let me know what you think. Use the link in the description to get instant access, or else you got to wait in line for these probably 70K people now since I tried signing up on June 5th. Then I got access, played around with it a bit. Then I felt comfortable talking about it and sharing it with you guys. But yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and reply here to the in the comments and let me know what you think. Talk soon.